In SketchUp, we may want to see a section again of part of our work. So let's see how we make a section in SketchUp. Here's a typical little SketchUp drawing, and here is the section plane command. I have it in the large tool set. So I'm going to left click on the section plane, and then I'm going to pick the plane that I want to place it in. I can put it in any like flat plane. There it is. Just call it that. And then if I need to move it up and down, I can select it and do the move command. And I can move it up or down so I can see more or less of something. And I can align my view to that. There's all sorts of things I can do as I align my view to the section plane. Align the view to the section. Now I'm looking straight at the section plane. So that's doing a horizontal plane. Come back over to here, and I can put a vertical plane in if I want. I can only, I think, do one plane at a time. Let's get in here a little ways. Yep. And so now I can move this plane a little bit and see something more of interest, maybe inside that house. And again, if I want to, I can click on the plane, right click, align the view. Now I'm looking straight in at what was there. So those are a couple of the things that you can do to create views. Another type of thing that you could do is you could save this as a scene, and I could create that scene, and I could rename the scene interior 1, something like that, and that shows up there. So now no matter where I am, I can click interior 1 and it will come back. And there's a lot of interesting things about this that you have to know how some of the details of this works, but that's basically how you get to use scenes and section planes in SketchUp.